A group in Norwood is using faith to battle the heroin epidemic, one that's been particularly bad in that neighborhood. Tonight was the launch of Hope Over Heroin. The program's targeting Norwood, which one organizer said saw 20% of overdose deaths in Hamilton County just 2 years ago. It's a drug that has gripped so many people for different reasons.
People are seeking something more than what they have, and a lot of them turn to drugs.
The group says it will soon take its message to the streets of Norwood and is planning a big event in August targeting heroin users and their families.